sound of OW?
Sometimes ough, sometimes o.
Oh, very good. Ready, dear? Yes, read the words. Read it.
Clown, clown.
Okay, now stick it out. Our next word is, read it.
Crown, crown.
Very good. Stick it out. Now, next word.
Town, town.
Very good. Now, next word.
Down.
Yes, very good. Read it. BR.
Brown, brown.
Yes. This one.
No, ow, now.
Very good. And this one.
Frown, frown.
Very good. This one.
Flo,
Fur.
foul, foul.
Yes. And this one.
Howl.
Very good. Now this one.
Growl, growl.
Very good. Here, what is the sound of OW?
O.
Very good. Read this.
P,
P.
E, L, O. Pillow.
This one.
A,
A.
R, O. Arrow.
Arrow. Very good.
Grow, ow.
Gr.
Grow.
Gr.
Grow.
Yes, it is not grow. It is grow. SN.
Snow, snow.
Now CR.
Crow.
Very good. This one. GL.
Glow, glow.
Very good. Now this one. SL.
Slow.
This one.
Row.
Very good. Now this one.
Low,
Low. Yes.
low.
Very good. And this one.
Bowl.
Yes. Very good. Excellent. What is the sound of OU?
Ow.
Ow. Very good. Now read this word carefully. Say B. Very good.
Background.
Yes. Now this one carefully.
Mouth.
Very good. And this one.
House.
Yes, and he is silent. This one.
Counter.
Yes, count. This one.
Proud.
Proud. Very good. Now this one.
Loud.
Excellent. Now this one.
Foul.
Yes, very good. And this one. Mount. Very good. This one.
Shout.
Shout. Very good. Excellent. Write down background. Background. Ground. Ground. Yes. Now write down new word. It is out. Write down you properly, okay? Yes. Now write down cloud. Cl. Yes. Write down you properly, dear. Okay. Now write down new word. It is found.
Found.
Wound. Ow. Yes.
Wound.
Our next word it is sound.
Sound.
Now write down our next word. It is wait. It is a house.
H O
Ow. Say.
ow so
Mouse.
M ow so
Louse.
L ow so
Next word. It is blouse.
bl ow so blouse.
Our next word. It is round. We have written? No, we have not written. Round. Yes, yes.
R ow d round.
Yes, very good. Now our next word. It is shout.
Sh ow t shout.
Very good. Now write down our next word. It is pouch.
P ow cho
Now new word. It is couch.
cow
Say.
c ow
Ow.
ow cho
Couch. Very good.
couch.
Now mouth.
M ow cho
South.
s ow th
Next word. Count. Ow means here. Ow means OU only. Yes. Make correction. Yes. Now write down. It is count.
c ow t
Yes.
count.
Now write down mount.
M ow t mount.
Very good. Now our next word. It is loud.
L ow d
Yes. Write down you
Loud.
properly, dear. Okay. Our next word. It is proud.
r ow d
Yes. Excellent. Okay. Now write down new word. It is cow.
c ow
And here
Cow.
ow means very good. Very good. Very good. Now write down owl. Ow. Say.
owl
Owl. Now write down new word. It is town.
t
Hmm.
ow
Hmm.
no
Very good. Now down.
t
Hmm.
ow
Hmm.
no
Very good. Now write down new word. It is brown.
br
Hmm.
ow no
Ow. Write down ow properly, but ow means here. Yes.
w
Perfect. Yes. Brown. Okay.
brown
Now write down new word. It is crown.
gr ow no crown
Next word is gown.
g ow no
Very good. Now clown.
gl
Hmm.
ow no clown
Okay. Now write down new word. It is now. Now.
Now.
Yes, now.
Now. Ow. Now.
Next word is how.
How.
Say her.
Her. Ow. How.
Very good. We have written clown, na?
Yes.
Yes. Now write down new word. It is frown.
Fro. Ow. Now. Frown.
Now write down new word. It is howl.
Her. Ow. No.
L, bacha. It is l.
Her. Owl.
L, howl.
Howl.
Now new word. It is foul.
For. Owl. Foul.
Very good. Excellent. After completing the test, give them sentences for reading. Okay, read the sentences.
Count the couches in the house. The fowl are
Where is br? It is b.
out bound for the south.
South.
Wow.
Wow.
The drought is on the couch. The dog owl is growls. The and howls. Do not shout and be loud. Wow. I found it.
Very good. Excellent.